Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Plauma private and fast browser in your Android phone and iOS. So this is really amazing app. You can use ad blocker, you can use VPN, and it's a data saving browser, and it's really user friendly. So how can you download? You have to go Google Play Store if you're a Android user, or you can go Apple Store if you're a iPhone user. So you can see it's Google Play Store and search here Plauma private browser. Private and fast browser. When you search it, and you'll see here this is the browser, and the rating of the browser 3.9, and 100k plus already downloaded this app, and it's really user friendly. You can see there is some feature, so simply click install, and it's really light, only 2.1 megabyte, so it takes few moments to download in your device. So okay friend, I hope this video was helpful for you. So today's number, and thank you for watching.